is Karpaswamy. I'm going to be doing my 8th lab experiment on Android. So this experiment is about creating a simple animation. So now let's take a look at the program. So as you can see, this is my activity main.xml. So I've used a linear layout, and then I'm gonna use an image view which will be having a background which is a drawable / myanim. So myanim is the animation file that will describe what picture is going to last for how many seconds. So it will be present in the drawable folder. So as you can see, this is the drawable folder, and inside it these are all my pictures that we're going to display, and this is the XML file that we're going to use for describing which picture is going to last for how many seconds. So inside this, as you can see, this is the animation list, and inside this there are a list of items that is the item which is sentiment dissatisfied or satisfied or neutral or very dissatisfied. So as you can see, all these emojis are present over here with their own respective name. So as you can see, inside the Android drawable property, will give the image. So we're going to display it first, and after that we're going to use duration property to set the timer. So this particular picture is going to be appearing for a second, and then after that this is going to appear for a second, and after that neutral is going to appear for a second, and then after that very dissatisfied is going to appear for a second. So inside this animation list there are 4 different items which are each going to last for a second, and we're going to specify the respective file using the drawable property, and then finally we're gonna add this anim folder in the background. So in the background of this image view, we're gonna show the animation, and then we're gonna set the ID of this image view as I, and inside the main activity we're gonna import Android.graphics.drawable.animation drawable, which is a respective package which has the animation drawable class, and inside the onCreate function, which is the function which is initially which will start running when the application is open. So inside the onCreate, we'll set the content view of r.layer.activity main, which is the XML that I just showed you, and then we're using this image view, and we're gonna get the we're gonna link this image view object along with their image view using this find view by ID, and we're going to use this animation drawable object to get the background of this particular image, that is the image view. So the animation object is myanim. So we'll get this animation drawable will have the respective animation of this image view. So after getting this animation of the image view to the animation drawable variable, we're going to use start function of this animation drawable class to start the animation. So when this is executed, the image the background of this image will start cycling through with different emojis. Now let me show you how it goes. So as you can see, these are the different emojis which will each last for a second, and then it will change to the next, and then it will continuously go on a loop. So this will be our image view, and the background continuously keeps on changing because we've given animation drawable.start, which is the animation that has to take place. So as you can see, first the dissatisfied phase, and then the satisfied, and the neutral, and then very dissatisfied. So this is the first one, and the second one, the third one, and then the fourth one finally. So this is how animation is done. Thank you for watching.